Hope you're all having a great day. I'm Sourav and today we are taking a look at Katana Dragon, a beautiful voxel-style ninja action RPG that's currently in early access and offers native support for both Linux and the Steam Deck. Now, if you haven't heard of this one, Katana Dragon is an indie game developed by Tsunoa Games, a small team based out of Spain. It's built using this open source Godot engine and was initially launched on Kickstarter just a few months ago. The game features two protagonists, Shin and Nobi, who are twin ninja siblings on a quest to end a curse that threatens the land of Sogen, a place where ancient temples, hidden dungeons, and strange creatures dwell. I went with Nobi for my playthrough on a Bazzite system, and after completing the tutorial, the sensei gave them their first mission as real ninjas to deliver a gift to the Heishu family, who are the guardians of the High Forest. Along the way, I came across a cave where Shin was already waiting for Nobi, clearly eager to head inside and search for treasure. As you can see, there were a few ravines I had to cross, and it took me a bit of trial and error before I could get the hang of it. The dash ability is especially handy in this game, and when you combine it with the goofy sound effects the characters make while talking, moving, dashing, attacking, or even bumping into walls, it gets genuinely hilarious. Katana Dragon features plenty of puzzles too. The first one I came across was pretty simple. I just had to place a box on a pressure plate to open a door, then cross a time gate at the end of a series of ravines. But the next one stepped it up a bit. I had to figure out the correct sequence of floor buttons to unlock another room and get to the treasure. It took a few tries and some searching around, but it was satisfying when I finally got it right. The combat is satisfying too. You just point your character towards the enemy and start swinging. Of course, you'll still need to dodge whatever the enemies throw at you, so there's a bit of timing and movement involved. And speaking of little details, if you leave the character idle for a while, they'll eventually just fall asleep on the ground. It's a small thing, but it adds a lot of personality to the game if you ask me. As I progressed through the game, I found out that the Heishu family had turned into ghosts and even Shin and Nobi sensei wasn't spared. To fix this, Nobi and Sensei set off on a journey to the enchanted High Forest to uncover what went wrong. Here, the game introduces the Shadow Clone ability, which adds a fresh layer to solving those tricky pressure-paired puzzles. This reminded me of Naruto, who uses clones to trick enemies and make battles easier. It's a clever mechanic that adds both fun and challenge to the gameplay. Finally, let's talk about the skills, equipment, and some other gameplay elements of Katana Dragon. As you progress, you unlock various skills that let you customize your combat style. There are dragon gems you can collect and add to your gear to boost your stats, and curse seals that give you powerful buffs but come with risks. The map system is straightforward and really helpful for navigating the world. There's also something called the Gokairium, which acts as an in-game wiki for learning about the different enemy types. As for issues, the game sometimes randomly stutters and the settings menu shows gamepad controls even when the keyboard option is selected. But such issues are expected in an early access game, and I'm confident the developers will work on fixing them. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this quick review of Katana Dragon, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more such awesome Linux gaming content.